This presentation reviews some commonly confused words. So what happens when a writer confuses a word with another one? Sometimes the intended meaning may be lost or changed. Misused words are also distracting to your reader. So let's look at some of the reasons why words are commonly misused. They can be confused because they sound alike, such as these homonyms. Sometimes words are often confused with other words even though they don't sound alike, such as these examples. So let's look at how some of these words are misused, and let's learn the correct ways to use them. The difference between affect and effect. So affect with an A is normally used as a verb that means to influence. Effect can be used as a noun that means result, or it can also be used as a verb that means to bring about or accomplish. Here's an example of those two words correctly used in a sentence. Allusion and illusion. Okay, allusion with an A is an indirect reference. Allusion with an I is a false impression or a misconception. So here's an example of allusion with an A used correctly. On the next page, we'll look at an example of an optical illusion. You can see how the image appears to move. That is an illusion with an I. Principal and principal also sound alike. Principal with an A is a noun meaning the head of a school or an organization. It can also mean a sum of money. Principle with an LE is a noun meaning a basic truth or belief. Than and then are words that are also commonly confused. Than is a conjunction that's used in comparisons. Then is an adverb that relates to time. To and to are also commonly confused. TWO is always a number. TO is a preposition. TOO is an adverb. There, and there are also words that are commonly confused. THEIR is a possessive pronoun. THEY apostrophe RE is a contraction meaning they are. THERE is an adverb referring to place, or it can be used as an expletive used as a placeholder. Other words that can be easily confused are lie and lay. Lie is a verb that means to rest or recline on a surface. Lay is a verb meaning to put or place. Who, which, and that are also commonly misused. These are demonstrative pronouns. What you need to remember is do not use which to refer to people. Usually you use who to refer to people. That is normally used for things, but it can be used to refer to groups of people. A lot and a lot A lot is always two words. Okay, A-L-O-T is not a correct spelling. Okay, so when you mean to say a lot in terms of a quantity, or a great deal, that type of meaning, it's always going to be two words. A-L-O-T is not a word. Okay, A-L-L-O-T is a verb meaning to allocate. People also sometimes confuse the phrases "the reason is because" and "the reason is that." The reason is because is not an appropriate construction. Always use "the reason is that." Could have and could have. Could have is the correct verb form. Could have is a common misuse and it's incorrect. Maybe it's because it sounds like the contraction for could have, which is could have. Okay, so could of is not an appropriate use. A similar error also includes the verb form would of, which is incorrect. It would be would have. These three words I see commonly misused. Defiantly is an adverb meaning a rebellious manner. Don't confuse it with the word definitely. Definitely is an adverb meaning without a doubt. This other word, definately, is a misspelling of definitely. Okay, so learn the difference between defiantly and definitely. Some strategies for you to use. Okay, look up a word when you're unsure of its meaning. Keep a list of commonly confused words. Be aware of words that you are prone to misusing. Use spell check and grammar check to help you identify potential errors. For more information, here are a couple of websites that you might find useful. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation.